Hi, this is Tamara here from Transformation for Women, tamaradonn.com. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the powerful technique called EFT to release your stress. If you don't know anything about EFT, then you may like to pause this video now and watch my EFT intro video and then come back to this one. But if you're too stressed and you haven't got any time and you just want to get on with releasing your stress right now, then keep watching and you can watch the intro later. In a nutshell, EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques, and it's also known as tapping. And it, amongst other things, it's a powerful stress relief tool, and it can often relieve stress in just a few minutes, and that's what I'm hoping to help you with today. So if you want to try this out, then simply do what I do and say what I say. And by doing it and saying it, you agree to take responsibility for your own well-being. So it's going to seem a bit weird at first if you've never done anything like this before, but just give it a go. So first of all, I'd like you to rate your stress levels on a scale from 0 to 10, 10 being most stressed possible, 0 being completely calm, peaceful and light, and just notice where your stress levels are right now. Okay, good. So putting your hands in the center of your chest and say, I want to de-stress, and repeat after me. And take a deep breath. I want to de-stress. And take a deep breath. I want to de-stress even more. And take a deep breath. And now what we do is we just take all our fingers and tap gently on the top of your head and use gentle touch and say, I want to release my stress. And take a deep breath. And next, moving on to the third eye or centre of the eyebrows, centre of the forehead. All this overwhelm that I'm feeling right now, I want to release it. And take a deep breath. And moving on to the eyebrow point, beginning of the eyebrow, and say, all these thoughts in my head non-stop, I want to bring calm to them now. And take a deep breath. And side of the eye, just at the end of the eyebrow. I want to release my stress. And take a deep breath. And under the eye. It sometimes feels overwhelming. And take a deep breath. And under the nose. And I don't know where to start with sorting my life out. And take a deep breath. And on the chin point, I want to release all these feelings now. And take a deep breath. Now on the collarbone point, which is just to the side of the sternum and below the collarbone, use your whole hand. I want to release even more of this stress. And take a deep breath. And moving on to the thumb point, which is the corner of the thumbnail closest to the body. And say, I'm noticing my feet on the ground right now. And take a deep breath. And moving on to the first finger, same point on the fingernail. And noticing my body, how it is right now. And take a deep breath. And moving on to the middle finger, same point on the nail. I wonder what it would be like to replace this stress with calm, and take a deep breath. And moving on to the ring finger, replacing stress with calm, and take a deep breath. Moving on to the little finger, infusing this calm feeling into every cell of my body, and take a deep breath. And side of the hand, infusing this calm feeling into every aspect of my life, and take a deep breath. And put your hands in the center of your chest and say transform, and take a deep breath. Transform. So if you'd like to know more about EFT and how it can help you relieve stress on a permanent basis and have calm and ease in your life, then do contact me on info@tamaradonn.com, and we can arrange an informal chat to find out how I can help you, or just have a browse on my website, tamaradonn.com. Bye.